Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you how I made this cute curly crochet wig using Trendy Tresses Nubian curl. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Me I beg you, woman, me guide them father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me coming out to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you won't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Now today, as I said, I'll be making this easy curly crochet wig. And as usual, all the tools I'm using and a link for this hair will be in my description box below. Okay, so shout out to Trendy Tresses though for sending me this hair. If you don't know, they're a hair company that specializes in crochet hair, human hair, and wigs. So go check them out. Now, I got the Nubian Curl 16-inch hair and it is in the color 1B. Now, when I first saw this hair online, I loved it instantly. I love this hair because it looks so natural. Like, it's really soft and really bouncy and big if you leave it long. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut mine in half. To make the hair easier to separate, I'm just gonna use my water spray bottle to wet it a little bit first. And then I'm gonna separate into small pieces as if I was installing it for crochet braids. Alright, the good thing about this braided cap is it makes it super easy to install this hair. And like I said, this hair is really big. So a way that I kept it from getting too poofy and being like too much of like a plain afro and more like of a layered afro, and that also helps so that I don't have to cut that much off when I'm done, I put the hair in with one side or one end of the hair longer than the other. And I'm gonna do that until I get to the top of the wig. Another thing I was doing to make sure that the wig didn't get too big and full was installing the hair like a finger space apart. And this is how the back of the wig turned out. And when I got to the top of the wig, that's when I started folding the hair in half. Here I'm just showing you how it's done in slow motion. So you grab the crochet needle, hook it onto the braid, latch on the hair, pull the hair through the braid, pull it through the hoop, twist the hoop, pull it through, twist it again, pull it through, and tighten it. And there you go. Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now when I got to the front bangs part, I didn't want it to be too full either, so I started back adding in the hair uneven. But I was like picking and choosing how to fold the hair in, so you could kind of watch and see how I was putting it in. And I was not putting it in too close because I did not want it to be full. This hair is really big. Like, when I tell you big, this hair is super big. People with small head, you can get away with that big hair. Or if you like big hair, go ahead and do that. But this big head and this tall body, I'm gonna be looking like a big old tree if I don't make this wig perfect, okay? And I'm so sorry about the lighting, but I didn't realize until I was editing that my arm was making it look crazy. And now I'm putting the hair in closer. I'm no longer doing the finger space apart because I'm closing the wig off and I want it to look full. You don't want those braids showing on top. So at the top, the hair gets put in very close together. Okay, now once the wig was done, like I said, the way that I put this hair in, it made it so I didn't have to do that much cutting. So I used my Tropical Roots foam and my water spray bottle just to tame the freezies a little bit, and then I put it on so that I could cut the bangs to frame my face. And this is the finished look. I love it. I love how natural it looks. I love this hair. Shout out to Trendy Tresses for sending me this Nubian curl in the color 1B, 16 inches, but I cut it in half, so this wig is like 8 inches. But anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. And thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.